Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. We're going to take a look at the gold daily chart. I'm going to go over some specific levels here to really help you navigate the gold chart here for this week and coming after that as well. But really quick before we jump into these charts here, what I want you to do is visit us here on the home page of the website and just really get to know us better, because when you get to know us better, you're going to see exactly what you get and all the benefits you're going to receive when you sign up and join the premium membership community. The cool part too is when you visit us here on the website, you're going to be able to see what our current members are saying about the membership, because of course I think I have the best service out there. I'm biased because it is my service. And I really truly do believe that I have the best service out there because our clients are happy, they're making money, and they're willing to give us these glowing testimonials and reviews. But it's cool to see it from a different perspective other than my own, to see from people who are actually inside the membership where you want to be. All right, you want to be a winning trader, okay, coming from losing to winning, just like these traders did when they first joined the Trading Analyst premium membership as well. So the cool part is when you sign up and join today, you're actually getting instant access to the same profitable trading alerts that these current members are getting, and they're talking about them in the testimonials. So if you're sick and tired of losing money on the market, and you're sick and tired of lacking consistency in your trading, then you need to sign up here and join the premium membership. And you can do so by clicking on the green button below, join now for instant access. And you can do that on the blog page as well. You can do it directly from there, and that's what you need to do at the end of this video so that you can sign up and join and start making winning trades in the market, because we deliver hand-picked trades delivered directly to your cell phone in real time for both the buys and the sells, so you're never going to be left in the dust ever again, and you're never going to have to worry about going over a bunch of charts or doing a bunch of analysis or missing a move in the market, waking up the next day and thinking, oh God, I was looking at this chart the other day, but I wasn't able to place the trade or didn't do enough analysis on it, because we've got you covered here. We're giving you specific hand-picked trades, real-time trades that are both the buy and sell alerts delivered directly to your cell phone, so you're never going to have to miss a beat in the market ever again. And really quick, I want to discuss the special offer here that you can take advantage of this week only. This is the lowest price we've offered our annual membership at ever, okay? So when you sign up today, you have the opportunity to save $100. That's right, I didn't stutter. That's $100 off of the annual membership. When you sign up today, apply the discount code SAVE100, all right? And again, it's for this week only. So if you try to sign up next week, you're going to have to pay the full price, and I don't want you to miss out, okay, guys? I don't want you to miss out and have to pay that higher rate. Take advantage of this opportunity while you still can, and you're going to get instant access to the profitable trading alerts that our current members are getting, and you're going to start making money in the market as early as tomorrow. So let's jump into this chart, all right? So this is the gold daily chart here. I'm going to discuss kind of the longer term picture here, and then I'm going to boil it down into the short-term levels here that I think that you really need to pay attention to. So taking a look at the longer-term picture here, gold traded sideways here for basically all of 2018 up until this big gap down in the middle of May on May 15th. All right, so what does that mean? Well, we traded sideways here within this range, consolidating for a while, and it built up energy. All right, it built up a lot of energy for a big move. And we finally saw that move outside of this range. So when you trade sideways for a while, all right, and then it breaks out of that range like we did here just about 2 weeks ago on gold, then you see a big move outside of that range. All right, guys, so we traded sideways. Now we traded down. To me, this means that gold still has lower to go, all right? And this is on the long-term view. Now, in the short term, all right, which is what I'm sure that a lot of you guys want to be hearing about, is the short term. We had this little sideways trading here. Same thing as the long term here, but just in the short term, traded sideways here for about a week. Then we broke out of that range. So to me, in the short term, I think that gold could head higher. You can see that we're holding this range. We came down yesterday and bounced nicely off that support. So this is support, it's previous resistance, and now it's turning into support. So I do think in the short term, most likely we'll head higher into that gap fill up here. This was the gap that we created from this big gap down. I think that that gap could fill, but at that point, I think it's a good shorting opportunity because in the long run, I do think that gold still has lower to go because of what I discussed in the beginning of the video, where we had a lot of sideways trading here for this way, broke out of that range, and to me, it's just kind of consolidating here a little bit before the next move lower. So thank you for stopping by and watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it, and I hope that you found a lot of value in this video, because that's why we make these videos, is so that you can learn and grow and get better as traders. So if you want to learn and grow even more, and more importantly, start making money in the market, and to gain some consistency in your trading, finally gain some consistency in your trading and to start making money in the market, then you need to sign up here for this premium membership, because when you do, you're going to get that consistency and you can start making money as early as tomorrow. And the cool part is you actually have the opportunity to save $100 off of the annual membership, okay? You're not going to get this chance any other time to save $100 off of this membership, guys, okay? It's the lowest price that we've ever offered the annual membership, and you can do that this week only. It expires soon. If you wait to sign up, you're going to have to pay full price, an extra $100 on the annual membership, and I don't want you to miss out on this low price. So you need to sign up today, the annual membership, and apply the discount code SAVE100, and you're going to get instant access to those profitable winning trade alerts that are sent directly to your cell phone in real time. This is Taylor. I'm signing off, and I'll see you inside the membership.